Hello viewers. Today, we are covering the 5 best rotary tools for the money on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick for the money is Dremel 12V Max Cordless Rotary Tool. No surprise that a Dremel tops our list, as the brand has an excellent reputation among woodworkers, hobbyists, DIYers, and professionals. Not only is the 8220 Cordless the best Dremel tool model in our eyes, it's the best rotary tool overall. The life of the craft bench is this Dremel cordless rotary tool. It features a high-speed 5,000 to 33,000 RPM, low-torque spindle on top of a cordless lithium battery design that recharges in only 1 hour. Being cordless sets in a class by itself, because it allows you to reach into areas or use the tool for a quick side application without having to move the cord around or find a new outlet to plug into. The assortment of 28 accessory tools and bits that comes inside the hard plastic case make finding side applications a snap, and even more projects are possible because the Dremel 8220 will accept bits and attachments from most major manufacturers. Being cordless is both the biggest advantage and the worst drawback, because disconnecting from a continuous power source means you only have a limited amount of time to get the job done. No matter what you need a rotary tool for, the Dremel 8220 is definitely one of the best Dremel tool options. Number 2. Our second best pick is Dremel High Performance Rotary Tool Kit with LED light. This entry by the masters of rotary tools has the most powerful motor in the Dremel line. The variable speeds 5,000 to 35,000 RPM and electronic feedback ensure quality remains consistent, no matter the task. A pivot light makes it easier to see when detailing or working in recesses. Meanwhile, the universal 3-jaw chuck and included collet system make using any Dremel accessory a snap. Best of all, this kit comes with a wide range of set accessories, 40 altogether, so you can get started right away. Longtime owners of Dremel products will be quick to notice the larger size and power difference. The biggest improvement for many consumers is the addition of separate on and off and speed switches, making it easier to keep your preferred settings. The fact that this tool will fit all of your older Dremel attachments is just icing on the cake. While you can always rely on Dremel for quality, this tool isn't perfect. A few owners have reported the motor burning out. Additionally, the attachments use plastic threads, which wear down faster than metal ones. Number 3. Our third best pick is Dremel High Performance Rotary Tool Kit. One of the most popular rotary tools of all time is the Dremel 4000. It's still a great tool, but the newer Dremels above are just a bit better. The spindle is variable speed and it has a maximum speed of 35,000 RPM, and that means fast, smooth precision etching or tooling. To make things easier, the kit includes a circle cutter and edge gauge. It all comes in a hard plastic case so you can keep the accessories organized, but the kit is small enough that it can easily fit into a cabinet or under the desk for easy storage. As far as the design is concerned, the only real complaint with the Dremel 4000 is that the on-off switch tends to wear quickly, possibly due to heat generated by misuse. Keep in mind that the Dremel 4000 is not intended for industrial applications. Operating the spindle for extended periods of time will cause this model to get extremely hot. It is designed for light to medium use, such as light precision machining, detail cleaning and buffing, and similar tasks. Attempting to use this model in the wrong way can damage it. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is DeWalt DW660 Cutout Rotary Tool. This 5-amp rotary tool specializes in cutting and provides 30,000 RPM for superior cutting power in a slim, easy-to-hold design. The dust-sealed turn-on and bump-off switch makes turning the tool off easier without exposing the switch to dust and debris. Perhaps the best tool for cutting drywall, the DW660 also works well on wood, acrylic, and plastic. Consumers love the compatibility with Dremel accessories, and the speed allows this tool to compete with the RotoZip, Dremel tools, and other cutting tools. The biggest issue with this tool is the chuck. Several users have reported their chuck locking, making it impossible to change bits. Whether DeWalt plans to address this issue is unknown. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Black + Decker RTX B3 Speed Rotary Tool. For a little less speed, up to 30,000 RPM and similar torque, Black & Decker's RTX B Rotary is one of the best Dremel tool alternatives. It has an ergonomic design as well, and a unique loading system that makes changing bits and accessories a snap. The best feature, though, is that this unit provides even more cutting power than many Dremel tools which cost more. That extra torque means faster sharpening and cutting, and easier sanding or buffing. Many users actually prefer a rotary tool over their bench grinder or angle grinder for more precise sharpening of tools or lawnmower blades. The RTX B is designed to accept all major styles of attachments, but the kit is sadly lacking in starter pieces. A narrow sample of accessories is included, but you will need to increase the variety quickly. While the carrying bag does not diminish the tool itself, it is a big departure from a protective hard case. The best advice is to purchase a small toolbox and use the removable tray for storing your small accessories. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.